Tagay.
So we're gonna get the mahi-mahi.
Listen,
Yes.
stop the boat.
Ah, that's the stop.
Yeah. Reverse the boat.
Reverse.
Yes.
Oh.
You have to pick up that one. Okay? Pick up again, forward.
Mhm.
Okay? If you push more fast.
So that's the accelerator.
Yeah. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then very important the balance on the boat. You come over here, I fix the rod over there. Come
Which
over
one?
here.
Okay. Oh, okay. Is it a good day to fish?
Supposed to be.
Okay.
But everything nowadays changing. It depends who am I with.
Ah, if we cannot catch anything, so it
If we
depends
didn't
on.
catch, so you have something like
Yeah. Maybe I'm not lucky, no.
that. Go on the other side. Always balance.
Okay, okay.
If we didn't catch, so you touch something last night.
No, I didn't touch. I'm just asleep.
That one you, when we come back from fishing, that one determined.
Okay. Usually, what fish we gonna?
Wahoo.
Wahoo. That's nice.